And we had to go through the other one because the other one is down right now. It doesn't take cash.
Can you give me my purse, please?
And I want you guys to see number 2. Went through the first one, now we're going through this. I think we're falling in love with these car washes because it did mine pretty good. Undercarriage. Oh wow. You get all that. Undercarriage and all that. High pressure rinse. Free rinse. Spot free rinse. I think I'm gonna come through this one time myself.
Do you have another $1?
Thank you for your purchase.
I haven't done this. It was Sparky. And it does have the brushes.
This one's different.
Please drive forward.
Never seen this before.
Please back up.
Uh-oh.
Please drive forward. Please
No.
place car in park.
Now it's time.
A pre-soak cleaning product is now being applied to your vehicle.
Woo.
A pre-soak cleaning product is now being applied to your vehicle.
There's even more.
It's rainbow.
Yeah, I know. You can smell. It smells good.
Cotton candy.
I can't remember what mine was.
I don't think yours had a smell.
Yeah, it had a smell.
Did it?
Yeah.
Here we go. Brushes coming.
It's the brushes. It's the brushies on the back.
A pre-soak cleaning product is now being applied to your vehicle.
It's the brushes.
Going over the top. You'll see it in a minute. It's going to come this way. Here it comes.
Okay, the brushes. I see the brushes though.
I got one somewhere over the top.
There's the brushy. They're really trying to clean your car real good. Hey. Where it's going. Dripping. That's like a wax.
It's a it said rinse.
Spot free rinse water is now being applied to your vehicle.
They even put Rain-X on there, hot wax.
Thank you. Please exit slowly.
Yeah, they're gonna blow the air. Dang. How about blowing? Great job. See you guys in our next video.
I'm gonna pull around here.